We'll guide you through how to make heart with pen tool in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to learn how to create custom shapes like a heart using the pen tool in Adobe Illustrator. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Once the application is open, click New File to create a new document where you will design your shape. After that, choose the document presets you want to use according to your needs so the canvas size and settings match your project requirements. Then click Create to open the canvas and begin working on your design. Next, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar so you can create the base shape that will be modified later. Click on the canvas to open the rectangle settings panel where you can define the exact dimensions of your shape. Adjust the width according to your needs, for example 300px, so the shape has a balanced proportion. Then adjust the height according to your needs, for example 300px, so the shape becomes a square that is easy to manipulate. After setting the dimensions, click OK to place the rectangle on your canvas. After that, click View from the top menu and enable Smart Guides so you can align and adjust shapes more precisely while working. Once Smart Guides are active, rotate the rectangle while holding the Shift key to make it exactly 45 degrees, for example similar to the video, so the rotation remains consistent and accurate. Next, select the pen tool to begin modifying the shape and creating curved edges. Drag one side while holding the Alt key, then press the Shift key to refine the curve and control the direction more precisely, for example similar to the video. Now the right side has been successfully created with a smooth and controlled curve. Repeat the same step on the left side and make sure it is symmetrical so both sides match perfectly and the design looks balanced, for example similar to the video. Now the left side has been successfully created and matches the right side. Press V on your keyboard to select the selection tool and review the result to ensure that the shape looks correct and meets your design expectations.